Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the physical and auditory baseline so progress is measurable. Stand tall with relaxed shoulders. This aligns your vocal tract. Next, practice diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale 3 to 4 seconds, then exhale 4 to 6 to support consistent tone. Once done, speak a 30-60 second unscripted sample and record it on your phone. This becomes your reference. Make sure to note posture and breath while recording, because these initial conditions reveal what to change first. You now shape pitch, resonance, and pacing through targeted drills that rewire habit. Begin with pitch slides. Find your comfortable median, then glide 1 octave up and down to increase range. This exposes your natural center. Once done, hum to locate chest resonance, then transition to open vowels like ah and o to sustain warmth. Make sure to practice pacing with deliberate 1 to 2 beat pauses and vary sentence length so rhythm becomes natural rather than forced. You complete the process by integrating skills into real speech and checking progress. Start by reading a short paragraph aloud each day, applying posture, breath, pitch, resonance, and pacing together. This consolidates changes. Once done, compare weekly recordings and list 3 specific improvements to guide your next practice. Make sure to troubleshoot. If you feel strain, immediately reduce volume by about 30%, return to diaphragmatic breathing, and pause practice until normal comfort returns.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.